back to my channel. Lashonda Capri here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this bomb flower box. I thought with Valentine's Day being right around the corner, this was the perfect idea. It's super easy and super quick. If you guys are interested, keep on watching. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Thumbs up the video and let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Okay, before we get started, I want to say that everything that you see pictured here came straight from my local Dollar Tree. So what you're gonna need to get started is a bowl just like this. I picked up 2 floral foams. I picked up 4 bunches of red flowers, a pair of scissors. You're going to need a glue gun as well, and then you're going to need some black acrylic paint, which I had just laying around my house already. You're going to need a paintbrush, and then you're going to need some satin ribbon. So first, I'm going to be taking my acrylic paint and my paintbrush, and I'm going to paint the entire bowl all the way around. I'm going to make sure it's covered in completely black. Also, I use this black poster board under me. You can use a plastic poster board if you want to cut it to your liking to wrap it, but I chose to use the paint. So I'm just going to use the poster board kind of just for any spills that I may make while doing this. So now that I'm all done painting, I'm going to take my ribbon and I'm just going to like put it in the circle around the bowl to cut and measure where I need to cut at. And I am going to put that on the bottom of my bowl. It's just to give it a little bit of, decoration and kind of make it look better. So I'm taking my glue gun now and I'm going to begin gluing my ribbon to my bowl. Okay, I have my ribbon all glued down. Now I'm going to take my flower foam and I'm going to cut it down so that I can fit it into my bowl evenly. You want to make sure that you shave it down first because you want it to fit nice and snug inside of your bowl. Also, this does make a bit of a mess, so that is what that black board is for. So now I'm just going to take my flowers. I'm going to take off all the stems. As you can see here, I went ahead and took all my stems off. And now I'm just going to start sticking them into my phone in a circular. I'm just going to go in a circle kind of get, the outside filled first and then move into the middle, if that makes sense. I also bent them a little bit just to, make sure they're all even and everything like that. So that's what I'm doing here. Now with this next step, all I did was go to Google on my laptop and I typed in Mason flowers. and I printed it out. Luckily, I didn't really have to reshape this picture, but if you have to do so, you just have to know what measurements you want it to be at. So I'm gonna cut this out and I'm going to place it on my bowl. So I am all done. This is how my flower box turned out. It looks so amazing. I think this is a great idea for a gift for Valentine's Day. You can do it for yourself if you want to put it in your beauty room like I chose to put in my beauty room. It's super easy, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave down some positive comments down below. Thumbs up the video. Again, make sure you are following me on my Instagram at Lashonda Capri. And yeah, if you made it this far in the video, leave me down some red roses, of course. And like I said in all my videos, I will see you guys in my next video.